What is up, everybody? I'm sure all of you have been wondering, where did this guy disappear to, and why hasn't he dropped any more reversing for newbies videos? So some of you might have seen it in the comments of all the videos that I have so far, but if not, I decided to make this video kind of to explain it more to you. Now, if it looks at any point in this video like I'm looking at my screen reading notes or maybe a script to you guys, I absolutely am. Some people are good at doing this impromptu. That is not me. So without further ado, let's get into it. First off, I want to start off with a sincere thank you to everybody who subscribed to the channel, liked any of the videos, commented on any of the videos. Never thought that I would have got to this point, and to many it might not seem like a lot, but to me it definitely is. So I created the assembly videos as I was making my way through college, when I was focusing on computer science and cybersecurity. I figured that learning it on the side makes sense if I was going to encounter it in the coursework anyways, so I kind of was trying to get ahead of the curve, teach myself, but also, teach others who might be, in the same boat as me. So that's how the series started, that's how the channel started as well. Over time, though, I found that I wasn't particularly passionate about those topics, computer science and cybersecurity. So what I did was, what any other sensible college student does is I switched majors to see if I could find something that maybe I would enjoy more, that would, be more fulfilling for me moving forward, both from a career standpoint and in life as well. So what I did was I ended up switching to web development as a major. And since then, I've found myself working in the website development space as a contractor for a number of different digital agencies, businesses, entrepreneurs, so on and so forth. And it turns out that solving problems for entrepreneurs and businesses who are looking to make a name for themselves in the online space was really fulfilling for me. My impact on others was really tangible, right? Like there was results that I could look at and be like, well, what I'm doing is actually helping this person or helping this company. And I love that. I first and foremost, I believe my purpose on this earth is to help others and inspire others. And I feel like in a way, the web development space has allowed me to step into that role and really see that play out in real life. So initially I contemplated creating a whole new YouTube channel for this, because it felt kind of weird to start with assembly and then take a long shot and come all the way over here to website development. But I got to thinking about the core theme and basically the principle that this channel was founded on, learning things and then teaching other people to inspire them, maybe to pursue, what it is I'm teaching, whether that be, at the time assembly or moving forward web development, to show others that, it sounds like it's complicated, but it really isn't. And it's something that you can do. It's something that you can replace your job with once you get good enough at it. So, I figured that that's right in line with the theme of the YouTube channel. So not only that, but I already have subscribers, I already have a little community built up, it's small, but something is better than nothing. And I really didn't want to leave you guys hanging, all the people that have, put in the time, watched my videos, interacted with it, liked it, subscribed to the channel. I figured I would be doing you guys a disservice by just up and going to an entirely different channel. So with that being said, like I said, I realized this is a super long shot from assembly to web development, digital agency stuff, web design. So I understand if you unsubscribe, maybe this isn't a topic you're necessarily interested in. Thank you regardless for, all of the minutes that you spend watching my videos, interacting with them. And for those of you that are interested, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. For real this time. I'm currently in the content planning phase, and I want to structure everything in a way that provides you all with quality educational content on a consistent schedule. So, I look forward to hearing your guys' thoughts in the comments. I know 2 years later is really late, but better late than never. So I will catch you guys soon, and thank you guys.